Hi there, and welcome. I'm Zoe Clarke from RosterElf. Today, I'll show you how to budget staff rosters using revenue forecasts in RosterElf. How to unhide the financial summary. Click the eye icon beside the financial summary if it's hidden. This reveals your labor cost and revenue details directly on the roster screen. Check that your roster period matches your chosen revenue forecast period. Aligning periods keeps the labor to revenue calculation accurate. How to enter your revenue forecast. Type the forecasted revenue amount into the revenue forecast field. For example, enter $12,000 if you expect $12,000 in sales. Click Update to lock in the figure. The financial summary instantly recalculates labor cost as a percentage of revenue. How to choose the right forecast period. Select daily forecasting if revenue swings from day to day. This is perfect for cafés and restaurants with busy weekends and quieter weekdays. Choose weekly forecasting for moderate fluctuations. Retail stores often prefer a week-by-week lens to smooth out trading peaks. Pick monthly forecasting when revenue is steady all month. This suits businesses with consistent turnover and stable staffing levels. Thanks for watching. If you need help, our friendly support team is here 7 days a week. Happy rostering, and see you next time.